Are you seeking information about how to make money online? Then check out these great tips. Online work is abundant today. While there are many options for making money online, some ventures aren't as great as they appear to be. You have to have some clue to what you go about doing if you really want to be successful on the internet. Continue on for well-grounded advice. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Use Google to search for online money-making opportunities. You will surely get a lot of results and options. Once you see something that piques your interest, try searching for reviews about the company. Exercise caution so that you do not get ripped off. As you now know, there are a lot of ways for you to make money on the internet. But you need to know a few things in order to make the most of your time and talents. You might even be able to replace a full-time income. Learn more about making money online and start earning today. Student loan.